prosthetic arm or leg? If so, then you have seen someone who has been influenced by the technology available in biomedical engineering. Biomedical engineering is a relatively new technology that has been adding the ability of mechanics to prosthetics, which have existed for many years. I hope to further your knowledge of biomedical engineering and in the subfield of prostheses. This speech. The next generation proto-2 limbs, which is what my visual is a picture of, were unveiled and demonstrated at the DARPA Tech 2007 conference in Anaheim, California in August. This system has more than 25 degrees of freedom with the strength and speed of movement approaching capabilities of the human limb, combined with more than 80 individual sensory elements for the feedback of touch, temperature, and limb position through emerging integration statistics, according to King in the New Media Reader. What that means is that this particular model has the capacity to give a person their original senses of touch and pressure according to whatever it is that they're holding, which is absolutely incredible because it works basically the exact same as their original arm, or possibly even better. Now that I have shown you an example, my next point is to show you what tasks a prosthetic arm should be able to perform every day. Prosthetics have using spoons, forks, and knives properly, sitting, stirring. Tells when you're lifting cups, mugs, glasses, or bottles, using a corkscrew or bottle opener, shaking a bottle or salt or pepper shaker, and folding and using napkins are typical everyday processes that we overlook. But it's so difficult for a person with prosthetics because they're not able to grasp things properly as they once were able to when they had their original arm, obviously. Because of the weight differences between whatever prosthetics they're wearing and not being able to sense pressure on whatever they're holding often causes them to lose their grip and ends up in a lot of frustration for them, which is why they have to go through such extensive training after receiving a prosthetic. My final point is morality and prosthetics. Getting a better understanding for prosthetics will allow you to realize that the moral issues behind this are really negligible because a prosthetic actually does absolutely nothing to augment a person's natural abilities. Rather, it just restores lost functions or functions that were previously unavailable to the person. Prosthetics is a much wider range than just mechanical arms and mechanical legs. It also ranges to mechanical organs, or something as simple as a pair of glasses is actually a form of prosthetic. Now that you've heard all of my main points, I would like to conclude with saying that prosthetics have really come a long way since the iconic hooks and peg legs that were used in the days of pirates and also in other times throughout history. We have been able to merge so much technology with what was just once a simple tool to be able to restore lost functions to a person. Comfort and functionality to the user of the prosthetics as technology ever continues to merge with man machine.